Hi everybody, your motherfucking daddy here. Here's what I don't understand. Here's what I don't get. Eric Brandt is in jail again. Not to any fault of his own, but because the Denver City Police Department is a bunch of corrupt fucking pigs. Pigs! I have been so psychologically damaged by law enforcement, the CIA, judges, etc. as a whole, that I thought that there were some honest cops. There's not. They're all fucking pigs. In Denver, in the state of Colorado, there is case law, I believe, Fitzgerald, something rather. Basically, simply, in a nutshell, that case law basically says that the human voice, without, mechanical amplification, meaning a megaphone or other means, cannot meet the criteria for unreasonable noise. Meaning, yelling and screaming, fuck the cops, or happy fuck the cops day twice on Tuesday is not disorderly conduct. Even if they have some half a bitch, who's not even a true bitch, by the way, a half a cunt bitch. Yes, I did say cunt. Oh my God, I said cunt. Yes, a cunt bitch. In the city of Denver on 16th Street, the Financial Mile, we don't like the homeless, we don't like Eric Brandt, we don't like anybody that's different. Yes, that stretch of real estate, the corner douchery there, okay? You understand me? That she said that her peace was disturbed. It doesn't matter. I talked to the Denver PD. They are fucking idiots. But here's my ultimate point, okay? I believe I have not had the ability to check on this because the Denver City Jail and the Denver County Jail won't answer their fucking phones because they're jerking off fucking pigs and goats in the back. They won't answer the fucking phones. I believe Eric Brandt is still there. I believe he is being held on $100 bond, I think. Now, I don't know if that's a $100 surety or if that's 10%. Either fucking way, that is pennies. Now, if I had it, I would post it for him immediately. I would have already posted it fucking yesterday. But here's my point. We as auditors, we've got to have some organization. I just threw up some cheese. That's horrible. We have to have organization, meaning money. Motherfucking money. And lawyers. And everything else. I mean, there are people in this movement. For example, Noman Nesio has over $6 million in Bitcoin. He will not help the movement. Jeremy Siebold, a.k.a. Indie Blue Ball List News, has access to millions of dollars and will not help this movement. Other people have millions of dollars and will not help this movement. Okay? So it's bullshit that Eric Brandt is sitting in jail. He's possibly being raped and or poisoned, sodomized, having his eyes gouged out by pigs on two legs because we cannot raise $100. That's ridiculous. I thought that I was the only one who was hated so much that nobody would bail me out. This is ridiculous, folks. We auditors, true auditors, who put ourselves on the line, okay? For example, I'm a true auditor. Eric Brandt's a true auditor. Liberty Freak TV is a true auditor. Southside Slacker is a true auditor. Tom Zebra to an extent. Are true auditors. There's a guy in California, I don't even know his name or his channel, but he's a true auditor. But my point is, though, that if this movement is ever going to go anywhere, we have to have money. We have to have financing. We have to have some organization. I'm happy to lead this ship, but somebody has to come and say, hey, swine, here's the deal. I believe in what you and other auditors are doing. I have, for example, an arbitrary number, let's just say $3 million. I have $3 million to give to, a foundation, or, to start this thing up right, so we have enough for bail, so we can put an attorney or two on retainer, so then that money then can gain interest through some certain things of nonprofits, and some, through the tax code and banking laws, so that money can keep appreciating, and then, go in a circular, but then, go out. Oh, and then come back in. So that there's like a trust fund, or a fund of sorts, for bail. And so auditors can audit in the style that they see fit. If I had guaranteed bail money and guaranteed a civil and criminal lawyer, I'd be auditing at least 6 days a week. Maybe even 7 days, because, I believe in it so much. And, I don't have the proper things set up, because I'm so goddamn poor due to a conspiracy that I cannot get any help from the Nuclear Police Department, the county police, the sheriff. Well, that is, I guess the same. But from the state police, the FBI, etc., etc., nobody will assist me. So, I can't help myself. But, I will at a later date through other legal means. My point is, if we auditors are going to do this, we've got to have somebody who has some deep pockets to step in and say, hey, you know what? We believe in what you people are doing. Here's a blank check, or, here's $2 million. Here's $3 million. Go do some good with it. Now, to be honest, I understand this is going to come from a selfish point of view, but, there's others out there who are, have organizations who are just governmental agents. There's Nair, I believe they're all fucking governmental agents. Dave Warden, Steve PNP News, Steve Grisham, they're all fucking governmental agents. They're all fucking, scumbags to a degree, because they're governmental agents. Not that they are scumbags as people, but because they're CIA agents, okay? And that segues into something else, is, those individuals I've referenced, Jeremy, Sebald, Norman Nescio, a Maximillionaire, and others. They're all fucking scared, because anytime I talk to these motherless fucks, now not all those motherless fucks, some of those motherless fucks, I can tell in their voice they're fucking scared, because they know the gig is up. They know the party is over. So, if we as auditors or this community cannot raise $100 to get Eric Brandt out of fucking jail, then I don't know what the fuck we're doing. And to all the people who view the content, for people getting arrested, or for laughs, or for their own entertainment, think about this, you dumb, motherless, fucking sheep, okay? You guys pay for cable, you guys pay for gas money while driving, thus, paying for radio or any other entertainment, but yet you morons will not donate, or, get that folding money out in the masses, so that we can uphold your rights. Because if we, the auditors, are not doing this, no one else is doing this. This takes a special type of individual to do what we fucking do, and to know that we will get shot, we will get beaten, we will get falsely arrested, yet, I haven't gotten the fucking memo yet from myself or God that, I could die doing this. Okay? I know I could die doing this. I simply don't give a fuck. I don't care whether I get shot, beaten, maimed, or put in prison for 1,000 years. I'll still be, able to have a voice well behind bars through other means. My point is that we auditors are doing a Basically, we're doing the United States. Everybody who gets up and goes to work here in a couple hours, and 9 to 5, 8 to 4, 6 to 2, etc., who, don't have the means, nor the inclination, nor the motivation, or, they're locked into families, or they cannot fight for this cause. I have taken upon myself to fight for, those people. But I need money. We need money. And until individuals who have so much money that they don't know what to actually do with, understand the concept, then this is going to be a futile effort. Closing out here, this has come directly from police organizations and their union representatives, that the goal is to falsely arrest auditors such as myself, Eric Brandt especially. They keep falsely arresting him and his partner, who I think that Eric Brandt and Liberty Freak TV News, well, TV, not news, are, having a dispute. No, I don't know that to be true. I am basically engaging reckless and abandoned speculation. It just seemed like that was Liberty Freak TV's perspective from his video he did on Eric Brandt. I don't know that to be true. I don't know it to be false. That's just, the swine intuition. So to close this out, if you guys, choose to donate to this cause, I'm going to have to set up a generalized PayPal account, so any money donated will go into a general fund, so I can, dispose of the money, allocate the money, rather to, auditors who are in jail, or if I need, bailing out, because until the general public holds a camera at law enforcement and gets their rights violated, you lay people will not understand it and will continue to have this circular fucking battle, this circular fucking narrative where YouTube makes the lion's share of the profit. We, the creators, get falsely put in jail, have to, endure in a lot of situations, a lot of circumstances, inhumane treatment where me personally, my food is poisoned, I'm poisoned, and, it's just, inhumane treatment, no soap, no toothpaste for 24 hours, no phone call in a certain county for 24 hours, and this treatment, just keeps perpetuating because there's no consequences until lawsuits and other things are engaged. So, if we can't raise $100 for Eric Brandt, then we all need to, I can't even fucking say that because that could be deemed as something else. But we need to do something else with our times and our inclination, our motivation, and our monetization.